Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can reset your Elegoo Slicer settings. So if you navigate through the application and basically browse through something like these settings right here, unfortunately it's not going to be inside this page. So the way to do this is to navigate through your RUN software, and basically you can just search for app data. Click on OK and then navigate through roaming. This is where we could see all of our installed applications, and of course you want to look for the Elegoo Slicer. So just click on it and then look for the user folder. This is where all of our user settings is stored. So if you definitely want to reset your slicer, just delete everything inside this folder. Now don't worry, because this will just be replaced by the default ones after reopening up the application. So delete everything inside, close the Elegoo Slicer, open it back up, and from there you have successfully resetted your slicer. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.